you. Have a good one.
What kind of coffee?
Oh, I just got a dark roast. It's less acidic. Can't handle that, you know.
All right. And what kind of snack?
No, it's a bacon gouda, little ciabatta bread.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
Yeah.
That'll keep you going.
Yeah, it'll be fine for me for a while.
There's already some people. Well, let's see. There's a couple guys there.
Yeah, this guy Carlos. That's
We
weird.
got some gas here at Costco. It's $2.65 a gallon.
Thank you, babe.
There was no ammo at the Pro Bass shops because the shipment came in yesterday, so I was out of luck here. It's so early though. It's only 7 a.m. and it's still dark. Sunrise is at 7:30 these days here. Okay, I'm ready.
I'm still sitting in the truck, right?
Yep. See what action we see here.
Yeah. Thank God you're here. You know why?
Yeah, why?
That kid with the glasses.
Oh,
You know what that kid did to me last week?
what happened?
I come in here at 6 in the morning. He didn't want to check my lotto tickets.
What?
His excuse was, oh, not the 7er, gotta wait till master comes in. And the little girl that was with him, she looked at me funny. I mean, why are you looking at me funny? I said, 6 o'clock, that machine's open.
It is a fun. Yeah.
That's why I said I'm glad you were here. Where'd you get this kid from? You know? I mean,
Jonathan is no longer here though.
What? You left?
Yeah, he left like 2 weeks, 2 weeks ago.
where'd he go?
Like he quit.
He just quit?
Yeah.
He had enough, didn't he?
Probably that.
They got the frozen yogurt section open here. You get one of those bowls and you can go, no problems. Even the low buffets is open. So it's pretty nice here in Florida. You can even serve your own cups. Hey Dave,
Yeah.
where are we headed to?
Palumbo's. Pine Ridge and Livingston.
Are they pretty good?
Yeah, Palumbo's not bad.
Okay, I'll check it out. Palumbo's Pizzeria in Naples. 2.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull this out a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Absolutely, yeah. Oh, look at that. Well, that way you can get the front of it.
Hey, don't forget your mask.
Don't need one here.
Amen.
Hey, right?
Amen.
That's what I was telling him. I go, this is...
You never been here before?
Yeah.
No.
You can't.
That's why I brought him there.
You can't wrap your head around this place. She was playing here last week.
Oh, really?
Disney World of grocery
It is,
store.
dude.
That's
You
awesome.
Best
cannot.
place ever.
She had cousins visiting from Michigan, and
Yeah.
we brought them here.
Oh, yeah.
I said you cannot wrap your head around here.
No.
You go to a grocery store,
This
nightclub.
is the only guy that they tried to sue because he wouldn't comply with the mask.
Yeah, and that didn't work.
Amen.
No, not
Good
to
for
him.
him. Good for Albert.
Yeah.
Yep.
We love Albert.
This is.
Yeah, he's a good guy. That's why I brought him here. He's a,
Yeah, you're
You're
about
gonna
to,
love
you're
it.
Gonna
he's a
love
nonconformist, though.
Oh, you're
He'll
gonna love it.
right there.
it. You're gonna go. Man,
Yeah, I'm
this
gonna
is
love
the only
this
one
place.
like it in America.
Oh,
That's
okay.
That's right, kid.
That's
Wanna be
Don't
great.
even forget about a mask or not a mask.
Yeah.
We're gonna have so much fun.
Yeah.
Great band today.
Oh, yeah? Who's in there?
Night Out. They're an 80s band.
Oh.
Very good.
Oh, that Powerhouse is a good band.
Oh yeah, they're great.
I like the bass player.
If it wasn't
He's
for
freaking good.
David,
Yeah.
if it wasn't for COVID, you probably wouldn't even see them because they travel.
Oh, really? Hey,
Oh, yeah. That's pretty nice.
good band playing upstairs.
Man, I like this place already. So no mask card. Look at this, I got white strawberries. You can pour your own pineapple over here. Yeah, I love it.
Brussels sprouts fresh.
Yeah, there you go.
That's huge, eh? Right there. Look at that. Asparagus.
Asparagus.
Already done. Look at this. Spicy your asparagus.
Yeah.
Tarragon. Fresh tarragon?
No, that's fish, right?
No. Tarragon. Not.
Oh, there it is. Chicken salad.
Yeah. Tarragon with chicken. Oh, okay. We could have got a pizza here. I forgot. I should have brought you here.
We could have come here.
I forgot all about that. Roll in line over there. Fresh squeeze, right?
So what do we get, Dave?
I don't know, you turned me on to this forager,
Yeah, we got some Forager probiotic shake.
organic, dairy-free, probiotic plant shake, strawberry.
Yeah, strawberry. So it has cashews and all the other stuff. So how do you like the flavor? It's pretty good?
It's not bad.
Not bad at all?
Pretty good, yeah.
Has 1 billion probiotics inside.
Nice.
That's gonna be healthy.
Yeah, hopefully it helps me out a little bit.
Yeah. We really like that sign at the entrance of their door. Everyone that comes to this store reads it too.
Yeah, no doubt.
What part did you like the best?
The last line.
That was pretty
Therefore, if we see you without a mask, we will assume you have a medical condition. And we will welcome you inside for our business.
good. I felt welcomed. Did you?
Definitely did. You won't see that sign. You won't see that sign anywhere.
She's from New York, so.
You will not see that sign anywhere.
I know, I love it.
Yep.
Everyone takes a picture of that sign and reads it.
No doubt.
There's the high school, yes. And after in the first community left.
Oh, first.
Range of Courage Class.
Okay.
Put it in, and the gate, and they'll put in the keypad. Put
Okay.
in the gate keypad.
Here's the ranch at Orange Blossom.
Joe Covey, Orange Blossom. Oh, jeez. What the hell?
Your arm's not long enough.
Yeah, what the hell? I hate this damn car. What do I do now?
Phone directory. One more. There it is.
Opening.
Open Sesame.
All right.
There we are.
Head back is there.
I'll look for the Audi.
Yeah.
Oh, I see you. You got the garage door open, Joe?
Yeah, garage is open, yeah.
White,
here, right
white
here.
car? Oh, not there.
No?
No,
I'm going out right now, okay?
right there. Yeah, all right.
Oh, here's another one. Yeah.
That's
Okay.
Joe right there.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, hang on.
There's a new roof.
I see. You got very new roof.
2250.
Oh, that's a Bentley in there. That ain't you.
There. Coming the driveway.
Okay, I'm just kidding.
Hey, coming the driveway. Very bad.
All right, hold on. I'm just making a joke, bro.
That was a good one.
Oh, that ain't it.
Hey.
I did that on purpose. I saw him. I saw you, Joe. Jason's just cracking up. He's a piece of shit Ford, Joe.
Hey, Joe.
Piece of shit car, Joe.
How's it going? Nice to see you. Nice to see you.
See, I told him, look, see? Look. Look. I didn't know you had red Honda.
You know that.
Yeah, you got rid of the
Where,
BMW.
yeah,
for
where's the
Honda.
BMW?
I traded in for actually, it's not trading. I sold it.
Oh,
And after I
Yeah,
found it,
I said to him,
yeah.
look at the Bentley. Look at Bentley.
that's the
I
Genesis.
know it's Genesis. But
It
I
looks-
was making a joke with him. That can't be his house. He got Bentley.
What's going on, Genesis? And my Doberman. Come on.
Your Doberman? I want to see it.
Oh, that's a little.
Hey, doggy.
Come on.
That's the Doberman?
Okay, it's okay.
Hey, little Doberman.
Oh, yeah. Nice house, Joe.
Yeah.
You've never been in this one. No, I've never been in.
Really?
Oh, a long time ago.
No, come on here. For me on here. Come on, Toby, come on back.
Oh, he loves them, man.
Oh no, okay.
He loves a carrot.
Oh, crazy.
All right, after you finish eating that, I'll give you another one. He likes carrots. You ready?
Love it. Love it. Na, basz meg, hát nem ismersz meg. Most meg vagyok fázva attól. Hát figyelj már. Hát Gainesville voltunk sokat együtt, utána voltunk autópiacokon. Utána megitattál, hogy hívják el? Igen, na végre van, na jó van. Na, most már jó van, akkor. Hey.
Józsikám, figyelj csak, majd én felhívlak te, nyugodt körülmények között.
Jó, röhös barátom, jó van.
You think you found some ripe ones?
Oh yeah.
Oh man, that is ripe.
Ripe.
Oh wow, that's amazing. And you grew these yourself?
Yeah. Grows them all the time. They're finger bananas, right, Joe?
Finger bananas or else apple bananas.
Yeah.
That's pretty nice.
Joe's hooking you up.
Yeah, that's a good snack.
Yeah, throw them in.
He said, here you go.
Throw them in.
Oh, that was a lot. Well, a few more weeks and the rest will be good to pick. Will the dog eat a banana like he eats a carrot?
Probably will.
Will you eat that?
No, you don't like it. You don't like it.
It's not hard enough?
Yeah, he likes a carrot.
Hold it.
Here, let's try it again. Oh wow, you like that, huh?
No, not really. He doesn't like it. If he's doing that, he's not liking it.
No, he will.
Yeah. Because it's sweet.
He just is the first time.
First banana to eat. He's becoming a vegetarian.
Yeah.
7 o'clock, you gotta go to work.
No, 6:30.
Oh.
Oh man.
At 2:30 I'm home.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
No, 3 o'clock
Yeah.
I'm home actually.
Good.
So,
Toby, you take care of your daddy. Okay?
Yeah.
of course we do. Of course
Okay.
you do.
All right.
Doing it.
We'll
All
see
right,
you,
nice
buddy.
seeing you, Joe.
Hey, later.
Hopefully it's less time than 10 years next time I see you.
I'll make it for sure.
I'll try to meet you before you leave to Hungary.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if you're in the country.
Yeah, you never know.
Hey, my man.
Yeah, get the AC on.
Quite warm, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. All right, take care.
Hey, Toby. Come on, Bubba.
See, this is classic American community right here. Doesn't get any more American than this.
Yeah. It's all over here like that, though, Jason, you know?
Yeah.
It's not the only one. Yeah, that's the one we came in on.
Fairmont Lane and Bellingham Lane.
Hey, I was out at 4 earlier. I left something behind. Maybe go pick it up. Thank you. She laughed at me.
That was funny that she laughed at you though.
I wonder why she laughed at me.
Yeah.
I can't show you where the turtle is because I don't know in here.
What's the name of this beach?
This is the state park. This is Wiggins Pass State Park.
You think we'll see a turtle?
Well, on the other end I could show you
Yeah.
with a gopher turtle.
Okay.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, it looks nice.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's Wiggins Pass State Park.
This is part of Vanderbilt Beach. Looks like it's pretty packed here. Everyone's out here for their outings. They got their barbecues and their picnics and swimming. Guess the water is not that cold. People are out there. They're getting their sun tanning. So it's pretty nice. A few people are swimming. Oh, that end they are. So what do you think about the beach?
It's okay when there's no people here.
That means it's a popular beach.
It's a state park.
Yeah, that's right.
Birthday party going on over here.
Yeah, all kinds of activities.
Got rednecks over there and raccoons running around over there.
Yeah, where's our little turtle?
Well, he's down the other end.
Look at that. Someone set up a hammock.
Yeah, he does something.
Yeah. Let's find that turtle. So you know its nesting spot.
See the hole in there?
Oh, there it might be, huh?
Let's sneak up close. He might be out.
No, it's not there. Here's one of its nesting spots. All right, here's another entrance point for this beach. It's usually that little turtle sleeps in that little hole over there. We're gonna go to Publix now. See what happens here.
Yep.
Oh, they got some deals going on.
Getting that. But I got the cookies.
Holy smokes. That's how they drive shopping carts. Got little plants. So which one is the broccoli?
Watch.
Broccoli rabi.
Yeah. See?
Oh, that's what broccoli rabi
That's
is.
what it is. You know what it is now?
Yeah.
See?
Broccoli rabi.
Right. What it is.
That's an interesting one.
You like that?
Yeah, it looks good.
I told you.
And
Let's
it's-
say you go by this. Broccoli Robbie.
Yeah. So how's the cooking coming along, Dave?
You tell me.
Well, it looks pretty good. What's this called?
Broccoli Rob with sugar peas in there.
So you let this saute for what, 20 minutes?
Oh, longer than that.
Okay.
Like that?
Starting to taste good.
You like a little sweet hot?
Yeah.
Just a pinch?
Okay.
This is homemade, fresh.
Pepper?
Yep. Look here.
Alright, looks good.
Just a little.
Broccoli rabi. It's gotta be something new.
No, it's an old Italian.
This is not a new vegetable?
No, it's an old Italian favorite. It's a traditional.
Good thing I met you. I wouldn't have discovered this vegetable.
No, you wouldn't. And this came from a friend of mine by the name of Raymond Catone. He took 5 different hot peppers.
Yeah.
Habanero, jalapeno, 2. He sent me a video of his pepper factory, and he takes them and dries them out, and then he puts them through a food processor.
And he gave you some of it.
Oh, he gave me plenty. That,
That's enough to last a year, huh?
and I gave some to some people. That'll last more than a year. And that, check that out, my
Man.
friends.
That's hot stuff.
Smell that.
I can smell it, yeah.
Does that smell nice? And that is fresh.
Yeah, that is
That's
fresh.
no store-bought stuff.
Here's the final product of the meal.